What's up, YouTube fam? It's Dark Angel's Journey. I'm Shakira. Happy Wednesday! Looks like CPI just came out and price is soaring up to run to take out London highs. Let's go take a look. Oh, I haven't done my zooms. All right, so all the lows I cared about were taken out yesterday. Let me move my chart over a bit. Bam, ba-bam. All right. So, let's do a little. So we have the previous day low all the way down here, just very aggressive. They swept all of that out. Let's clean this up. Things that I care about. We'll find out where midnight open is amidst all of this and move that down. Let's take a look at the midpoint of this giant wick and note that. So we're currently getting, got to the midpoint and we got kicked back up. Shorts are still on the menu for me as far as I'm concerned. What? Hold on. Let's just get, there we go. Just had to zoom in. Sometimes when I put stuff in, it runs away. All right. So let's delete the Fibby and let's add this 0.5 daily wick. And let's show the price and leave that black. All right. Cool. And let's drop to the 4 hour. All right, so now we came back up into this, guys. Let's delete it. Let's move this. And I'm gonna just remove the daily fair value gap stuff for now. We have a giant 4 hour bearish fair value gap, so I'd like to see how they behave inside of that. I don't know that they're going to come back up to that, honestly, right now. Right now, everything is bearish, and shorts are where it's at. I actually would rather prefer if they run up a bit before they decide to start coming back down. Where is London high? It's right here. Nice. So I'm perfectly happy that they're running up right now. I need them to sweep liquidity before we start pulling back down. So sweep it good. And then Asia's all the way up here. So let's duplicate that. I honestly don't really expect them to come all the way up to Asia, but this is MNQ. She can do whatever the hell she wants. This is the 4 hour fair value gap, but I'm gonna repurpose this for this 1 hour one. See how they behave inside of this puppy. Dropping below might give me, actually I prefer if they drop below the half point of this wick, but if they sweep this and give me 2 shifts on the 5 minute, sister's happy. Where is midnight open? Let's see, 10, 11, 12. So we opened here and then dropped. Yep, okay. Coming back up to midnight open right there. So we're still bearish on the daily, the 4 hour, the 1 hour. We're just having a bit of a push right here. Hopefully to sweep some liquidity from the news and then turn around. We shall see. And yeah, so my desire is for them to sweep the London, shift back down, shift again, and then we start rolling towards crossing the halfway point here, where the previous day low all the way down here, and a 15-minute extreme, which I am going to note as a target. Might even use like a 1 hour extreme. So we'll check that really quickly. So the 1 hour extreme is actually higher up. So I'll use the 15-minute. Looks like about just shy of halfway to that 1 hour wick as well. So that's a good spot for some TP later on. So let's see what we do. I'd like for this to continue sweeping liquidity out and then start working its way back down by the time I'm ready to trade. So news is out. Let's go. Be safe, be good. Shakira out.